A lot of history hanging around on the walls, benches, and floors. It takes something you're looking at, and you just got to know what it is. Ask. Right up there on the wall, we got a cradle side and a flail. That was your grain harvesting system. Today, that whole system's been replaced by a $250,000 to $400,000 combine. Does the same job, but I'll guarantee you that system right there builds more character as you're working with it. That plow is a complete copy of the original John Deere plow, just like the ones they sold here 174 years ago. And the earliest documented price they could find in the archives is $24. There are rumors of $7.50 to $12, but the earliest documentation found was undated and for $24. All right, 2.5 times because of that gear ratio right there. Every time the little cam loads up, flips that lever up top on that ratchet wheel, and I'll speed that up and see that's what advances your drill bit down any material. Everything still works on this old drill press. That is a fully functioning, working drill press. I picked this up about 7 years ago now, down in Farmer City, Illinois, at an antique store, and I bought that for $15. Now, I didn't tell them who it was or where I worked or where it was going to go, or I'm sure they'd put the John Deere price on it, and it couldn't afford it. All right. Well, they had 3 of them. No bellows. There's a bottom half, top half, center plate don't move. When I pull down on the lever, the bottom inflates the top's full and looks into the fire. When the handle rises, the bottom inflates, the top's pushing down, so there's a continuous flow there. It's a very efficient system, very helpful system, and as you can see, I'm done pumping and it's still blowing into the fire pot. That's how helpful the double bellows is. But the main tool in anybody's shop will be their anvil. We have 3 basic parts. Pointed in is a horn, flat surface of the face, the square end is the heel. I keep an 8-pound sledgehammer hanging from the heel of that anvil. Now, not only does it look good hanging there, but it's got a purpose. And that purpose is a muffler. Because without the hammer hanging on that anvil, just tapping on that heel or the horn, man, you gotta listen to that ring and sing all day long. I hang that muffler in place, I can beat on that anvil. It just knocks that high frequency, high pitched ring out, and you don't have to listen to it sing all day. Because you know what I bet you John Deere said to his wife all the time? What did he say? Huh? Huh? What? Was it that or yes, dear? Mrs. Deere. One of the original tools is like this, a little sharp knife edge tool called Hardy. When you needed to cut your steel, you'd heat that steel in your fire, get it up to an orange, almost a yellow glow. You bring that hot steel out, lay it right over the top edge of that Hardy, and drive it right on the edge, and that Hardy will push right up through. The steel itself is right at 2,000 degrees, give or take a degree or 2. The coal burns on its own from 800 to 1,000 degrees until I start pushing the air in. So it rapidly heats up, and you can watch like I do, watch the color of the coals. They'll go red, orange, yellow, white hot right in the center. Now, maximum heat in that coal has been measured around 3,800 degrees, almost 4,000 degrees. Well, here's my dilemma. That steel melts when it reaches 2,750. I'm at or above 3,000 in the fire, so it's really just a matter of timing how long you leave your steel in the fire for. And the story I'm telling you, it's my timing. Because now that I'm done my story, that steel's ready to come out and work. So the first thing we want to do is just draw this down to a nice, smooth, 4-sided tapered point right out there to the edge. And straighten it out. Now I want to overhang the edge of the anvil. I want to neck that steel down to form the stem of the leaf next. And once I get that stem down to the size and shape I want as a square, I'm going to come up on the edge and go from a point.
But it doesn't grow.
Not anymore.
Yeah, you should wash your hands before.
No.
No.
It's proof.
Okay.
Go to Trader Joe's and look at the syrup they sell here, and it's like $20 for like 8 ounces. Yeah. But it's not even like syrup. Yeah. They grade the syrup in about 9 or 10 different grades. Or you can sell a set of bottles that have all the grades by color. You hold up to the light, you can see what kind of syrup it is based on when it came off of the Then you have
Flash flood warning for DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, northern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Lee County in north central Illinois, Noble County in north central Illinois, southern Wood County in north central Illinois, southern Lee County in northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, southern Winnebago County in north central Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. Central National Party water crossing. Never try to cross the going through, even a slow one. More than you get. Coca-Cola about to try the newest, scariest roller coaster, the Green Death Paradox.